Hello aspirants, today we will talk about the most dynamic paper of UPSC mains, that is GS3. Along with it, I will also share how I increased my score in GS3 by 30 marks. GS3 has become truly the toughest nut to crack in UPSC mains. Even the toppers are getting marks in the range of 80s and 90s, a few in the hundreds, and the aspirants who are not clearing it are getting marks in the range of 70s, 60s and even 50s. I myself scored 71 marks in mains 2021 and I analyzed it, I spent some time on it. It took me some time, but I realized that there were certain mistakes that I was making. There are several reasons because of which I was not able to score good marks in GS3, which were true for me at that time but are true for many aspirants, many candidates who are going to sit in the mains 2024. The first reason is inherent in the paper itself. There are 6 subjects in this paper. There is economy, agriculture, science and tech, environment, disaster management and security. The syllabus is so vast that it becomes very difficult to cover, especially if you have not prepared the notes already in these 3 months. I also, after writing 2 mains, I was finally able to complete my notes of GS3. So it costed me 2 expensive mains. On top of that, there is also a lack of guidance and materials in the market regarding GS3. So aspirants are left to prepare their notes themselves only. Third mistake that a lot of aspirants make is that they think that the preparation for prelims in case of economy is sufficient to write answer in mains. That is very far away from the truth. You need to prepare separately for mains. Prelims and mains are completely different ball games. There is a separate syllabus of mains. And the fourth and the biggest mistakes, which proves to be the last nail in the coffin of dreams of the candidates, is ignorance of agriculture. Many aspirants give a lot of time to economy section but do not devote as much time to the agriculture, whereas the weightage of economy and agriculture is equal in UPSC mains. Around 4 to 5 questions are from economy and around 4 questions are from agriculture every year. So, after knowing these mistakes, what should an aspirant do so that he or she scores at least 90 marks in GS3 and even 100 marks in GS3? The first thing that you need to do is to prepare notes, is to prepare content. You should have notes prepared on every topic, every line that is given in this syllabus. Apart from that, you should also have notes prepared on themes repeated in the PYQs. Once you've done that, you should start writing answers. Write answers as much as you can so that you get into the habit of writing answers. And at the same time, you should be also analyzing the answers. That what are the mistakes that you are making, how you can improvise it. And finally comes the value addition part, the cherry on the top of the cake. The value addition ensures that your answer stands out and your argument are sound and your answer is objective in nature. So value addition can be done by providing data, graphs, small figures, example, or even the committees. But can it all be done in a mere span of 95 days? Sadly not. All these things, especially the first part, that is the content part, should be done before your prelims only, because it takes a lot of time to prepare content. And it is not like you are going to write only just 1 paper in your mains. You have to write 7 papers. So you should have content prepared for all the 7 papers, and then during the period between pre to mains, you should be focusing only on revision and answer writing. So during this time, you should be only focusing on revision and answer writing. It's not the time to prepare notes. It's time to revise the notes that you have prepared and write as many answers as you can. That can only help you develop the skills required to clear this exam. Now, to ensure that aspirants are writing answers from day one and not wasting this crucial time on searching for content and preparing notes from scratch, Kalam IS has come up with Marks Improvement Program in Economy. Now such programs are available in all the subjects of GS and SA, but here I will talk about only economy and agriculture. Marks Improvement Program is based on 3 pillars, that is content, answer writing and analysis. All these 3 pillars have to be strong in order to clear the mains examination. So let us first talk about content. To have good quality content is very, very important in this mains examination, because there is high level of predictability and repetition in mains examination. Now, predictability here does not mean that we can predict what exactly UPSC is going to ask. It just means that questions can be asked directly from the notes. Take example of 2023 mains paper. One question was asked, how does e-technology help farmers in production and marketing of agriculture produce? It is taken directly from the syllabus. There is verbatim question, the verbatim topic from the syllabus, that is e-technology in the aid of farmers. Only the word aid is replaced by help. Another question was, what are the direct and indirect subsidies provided to the farm sector? And this again has been taken verbatim from the syllabus, that is issues related to direct and indirect farm subsidies. So this shows that if you have notes prepared on the topics of the syllabus, then you can write these answers very well. Another topics that you should be covering are the themes repeated in the PYQ. For example, in 2022, there was a question, how can integrated farming system help small and marginal farmers? This was nothing but a reversion of 2019 question, which was, how can integrated farming system help in sustaining agriculture production? So you see, if you have the notes prepared on the themes repeated in the PYQs and on the topics given in the syllabus, then most of the mains questions are doable. So to strengthen your content pillar in the marks improvement program, we will provide you comprehensive syllabus-based notes. These notes will cover all the topics which are given in the syllabus. Along with it, we will also provide you around 20 hours of recorded lectures covering your complete economy and agriculture section of GS3. Apart from that, we will also provide you a cherry on top, that is your value enrichment material. It includes data, facts, figures, name of the committees important in agriculture and economy section, etc. So it will take care of the content part, and you will, so that you have all the weapons in your arsenal while going to the mains examination. This brings us to the second important pillar, that is answer writing. Like Anudeep Durushetty sir said, that one thing that every aspirant should be doing is writing answers, because that is the final criteria based upon which your performance, your preparation will be judged. Your books will not go to the UPSC, your answer copies will go to the UPSC, and based upon which you will be awarded marks. So to strengthen the answer writing pillar, we will conduct live answer writing workshops. These live answer writing workshops will be about 2.5 hours of length. In the first hour, we will do the answer writing session. That is, we will give you 7 questions and you have to write them in 1 hour. And after that time is over, we'll spend 1.5 hour more on discussing and evaluating your answers, what you could have done better, what mistakes you made, whether you met the demand of the question. So the purpose of the answer writing sessions is to ensure that every student is meeting the demand of the question first. Second, the student is practicing answer writing in a given time frame and writing precise answers as per demand of the questions in the given time frame. After the workshops, we'll conduct one sectional test of economy and agriculture. This will be a 3-hour long test of 20 questions like in the UPSC mains. This will help you in consolidating the knowledge that you have gained through watching the videos, through reading of the PDFs, and through the workshops that you have conducted. And after this consolidation is done, your 40 to 50% of GS3 is done, that is economy and agriculture. But we all know just writing answers is not enough, because you also need to analyze your answers. You need to identify what are the mistakes that you are making and what are the areas of improvement. So this is taken care of by analysis pillar. To strengthen the analysis pillar in the marks improvement program, we have the crowning jewel of this program, that is face-to-face evaluation. The face-to-face evaluation is designed to provide a personalized feedback, a personalized strategy to every aspirant. In the face-to-face evaluation, the student and faculty will sit with each other and they'll discuss every question that is written in the answer copy in detail. They will discuss how the introduction can be improvised, how the structuring of the answer can be done better. Has the student met the demand of the question or not? or how the conclusion can be improved and how the value addition can be done in this answer. Other benefit of face-to-face evaluation is the student can ask counter questions like how to value add in the answers, what are the sources that the student can refer to, or if there is any another alternative structure or alternative introduction that can be used instead of the one that is listed by the faculty. So face-to-face evaluation ensures that there is real value addition in your preparation and the students are actually improving their answer writing and not just getting some vague comments after 2 or 3 weeks of writing the answers. The face-to-face evaluation is done either on the day the test is written or the very next day. Apart from that, Kalam IAS is providing one free face-to-face evaluation for every student. You can write your test anywhere and we will do the face-to-face evaluation. So if you think that having content ready on day 1 of your preparation in your hand, writing answers in the live workshops, or getting face-to-face evaluation done can add value to your preparation, then you can subscribe to our course that is available on our website. Hope to see you in the workshop.